Hey learners! Today we are going to discuss logical operator conjunction in Logic Part 3. But before anything else, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for my upcoming videos. Thank you! Logical operator conjunction in Logic Part 3. If P and Q are propositions, their conjunction is the statement P and Q. It is denoted by P and the symbol caret Q. And here is the truth table for conjunction. As what you have noticed in the table, all four possible combinations of truth assignments for P and Q are given in the table, and it shows that the conjunction P and Q is true provided that P and Q are both true, otherwise P and Q is false. Example number 1. Translate the conjunction statement P and Q into a sentence and find the truth value of the conjunction statement. Let P be the statement 1 plus 1 is equal to 3, and let Q be a statement a decade is 10 years. Okay, what are we going to do? We're going to replace the symbol P by the statement 1 plus 1 is equal to 3, and the symbol caret by the word and the proposition Q with the statement a decade is 10 years. Then we can say the conjunction statement of proposition P and Q is 1 plus 1 is equal to 3, and a decade is 10 years. If we are going to evaluate the truth value of the statement 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 and a decade is 10 years, let us try to check first what is the truth value of proposition P and what is the truth value of proposition Q. By looking at the statement of the proposition P, which is 1 plus 1 is equal to 3, it is a false statement. And the proposition Q, a decade is 10 years, is a true statement. By plugging in the truth value for P and Q, you can say it is false and true. Then how we are going to evaluate the truth value of this one? So let us now use the truth table for conjunction. So it shows in the table that when P is false and Q is true, the conjunction P and Q is false. We can conclude that 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 and a decade is 10 years is a false statement. Example number 2. Translate the statement into logical symbols and find the truth value of the statement. The statement is 10 divided by 2 is not equal to 5, and Davao City is the capital city of the Philippines. Let P be a proposition. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Let Q be a proposition. Davao City is the capital city of the Philippines. Let us now translate the proposition. 10 divided by 2 is not equal to 5 will be replaced by the symbol negation P, and the word and will be replaced by the symbol caret, and the statement Davao City is the capital city of the Philippines will be replaced by the proposition Q. So we can say the logical symbol of the given statement 10 divided by 2 is not equal to 5, and Davao City is the capital city of the Philippines is negation P and Q. And let us evaluate the truth value of the statement. So what we are going to do is identify the truth value of the proposition P and proposition Q first. So when we're going to look at now the statement 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, which is the proposition P, is true. While the proposition Q, Davao City is the capital city of the Philippines, is false. So by plugging in, we have negation true and false. But we have to evaluate first the negation true. So the negation of true will be false. So the statement now becomes false and false. Based on the truth table of conjunction, when proposition P is false and proposition Q is false, we can say the conjunction of P and Q is false. We can conclude that the statement 10 divided by 2 is not equal to 5 and Davao City is the capital city of the Philippines is a false statement. Example number 3. Evaluate the truth value of the compound proposition when proposition P is false, proposition Q is true, and proposition R is false. The statement is the negation of the quantity P and negation R and Q. So what are we going to do? We are going to plug in the truth values for P, Q, and R respectively. Then we can say the negation of the quantity F and negation F and T. So let us first evaluate the negation false inside the parenthesis. So we can say the negation of false is true. Okay, when we're going to update now our statement with its truth value, we have the negation of the quantity false and true and true. Then we have to evaluate the conjunction statement inside the parenthesis, which is false and true. So based on the truth table for conjunction, it shows that when proposition P is false and proposition Q is true, then the conjunction of P and Q is false. And we are going to update our statement. It becomes negation false and true. But before we will proceed to the conjunction operation, let us negate first the false. So the negation of false is true. So as we are going to update our statement, that is now true and true, as it shows that when P is true and Q is true, the conjunction of P and Q is true. Then we can say that the truth value of the proposition negation of the quantity P and negation R and Q is a true statement. And that ends our video discussion at this moment. Thank you for watching. But before you will end this video, please do assess your learnings by answering the self-test activity. Thank you.